Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We're doing a members experiment at the moment, but it is very, very real, and it's very, very important for all of my investors who want to make money and have a channel that is there for them. A channel that is not there for me. I've done everything in life I've ever wanted to do, and now I want to do something I can be really proud of. If you missed the introduction to what we're doing here, I will explain it once again. What we're doing here is over the last couple of years that we've been building this channel, the aim was always to become a mainstream TV network. That was the aim. Never to be a YouTuber. I am not. I'm the world piano man, as you all know, and I built a TV studio to. I want to compete and do better than the Bloombergs, the CNBCs, the BBCs, the Sky News, and so on. A family channel where we have a large audience of lady investors. Most crypto channels are less than 1%. A channel that is there for you, not for the sponsors, not for me to grow a YouTube channel. It's there to help people, and it's there so I can bring world exclusive information before mainstream media better. And I've got now a team of CEOs who want to be live on my show, talk directly to the investors in a way that is completely impartial. I don't own any of the shares. I only own the S&P. A place to bring you information before it's available anywhere. World exclusives, honest, real, something I can be proud of and be, if you like, the people's champion. I will work for you 12 hours a day, 5 days a week, and in fact, I even work weekends now to bring you this service. So the reason why we're doing this little experiment is to see how it would work, okay? So what we're trying to do is, first of all, we explained in the previous video how you need to subscribe to this channel. I'll show you again. Click subscribe and ring the bell like this, and make sure that you've turned the notification. Now you can customize them for different channels. If you're getting too many notifications, you can personalize them. Other channels, either turn them off or personalize them. But on here, make them all. Then you go to YouTube settings and make sure that you've turned them on your device so you never miss any of the notifications. There's going to be a lot fewer notifications from me now, because I'm going to make a lot of my events that won't be notified, okay? Just focusing on the breaking news flashes, really important stuff. Obviously, if there's no news flashes, YouTube will share the opening and closing bell as always, of course, but they won't be sharing everything anymore, all right? Because I want everyone to be here. And the purpose of this is we want to bring you the best news, the most live news, accurate news to help you move the market. Basically, I'm trying to start the Lucasade army. We already have it, but now I want it to become mainstream. Okay? Now, that seemed to have worked. We didn't get the 1,000, which I wanted, which is the number I want to be able to show my CEO. So we're not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Hopefully, in the next few weeks, we'll be getting the 1,000 the moment a news flash goes out, and that's a number I need to sort of really rank and qualify to be a news channel. That's very, very important. If you look at when Bloomberg goes live in the first few seconds, that's the sort of number they get. And I want to get that number, and I know we can do that. Now, if you've just tuned in wondering why this is so important, it's because I want to build an army and I want to be able to do something really incredible for people to bring you the best information so we can move markets, not intentionally for myself. It doesn't benefit me whether the market goes up and down. You know I'm only in the S&P, and I share that with you on the screen. But I want to be mainstream TV. I do not want to be seen as a YouTuber. That is never my interest. And I'm going to share this again. I shared in the preview a little test here just to show you how effective this is working. This is the homepage of Google. If I select incognito mode, this is just so it's completely unbiased now. It's just incognito. And I type in here GRRR stock. an interview that we're doing on Tuesday, December the 31st. If you go to videos, we don't just rank number 1, we rank number 1 to 10. We own the whole of the homepage of Google. This is incredible. We're now doing this for XRP, Nvidia, many other stocks. We own every single space on the homepage of Google. That's in incognito mode, so you know it's real. And my intention is to do this for all stocks. Now, why is this happening? Why are we able to rank like this? It's because I work harder and will always work harder, and I will always be honest and real more than anyone else in the world, because I'm not here for myself. I am here to help people, and I will not give up until I get the job done. So that's why we're ranking number 1. People are, engaging with us. CEOs are seeing it, calling me now and saying, can you be on the show? I want to have Brad Garlinghouse on the show. I want to have Elon Musk on the show. So Richard Branson, the list goes on and on and on and on. Right. So this is a very, very quick test. I wanted to make sure that it was going to work. We are a quarter of the way there. We've got 240 straight out of the gate in seconds, which is fantastic. Now, if you could tap the like button, that would be great, because get over the 100, YouTube will suggest this out. That would be fantastic if you could all tap the like button. Thank you very much indeed. One person has clicked down like, everybody else has clicked up like. I've no idea why anyone would down like this when the very purpose of it is to help you, not to help me. I'm going to do all the work and everything I can to bring you this service. It's something I want to do as a legacy for myself, something I want to look back and be proud of. So thank you very much. And I cannot understand anyone who would down like this, other than those that might want to short stock and try and drive the market down. There's always some individual that's going to want to do that. But coming up in 14 minutes from now, Sensei is going to go live. He is going to provide you a technical chart today for XRP and GRRR, because on Tuesday we are interviewing the CEO live on the show. This is it here. Let me share with you. Here it is. This is the event. It's members only, because as you can see in the chat, we have a couple of trolls now. We've got 4 down likes. We do not want trolls, bots, scammers, shorters, anyone basically with a negative attitude in this stream. All our CEO events now, all our world exclusive inside information like this is always now provided for members only. So there it is. If you want to get that, you can. If you want to become a member, I'll give you the link for it right now. If you want to ask the CEO a question, you can. If you want to be on the show, you can. You can call in and be live on the show. This is how you call in. All these spots, there are 10 spots around me, and very often we do now spin the wheel, where we give away $100 in XRP live on the show. So we do all of that. Okay, that's all about the experiment. Now let's just focus on, for a moment, XRP, because I know I said this was an experiment, but I also want to focus on this. We've gone back down now to near our target level. We've done this 3 times now. We've been able to sell at 260, 265, 270, buy back at $2, and keep doing this over and over again. So our members have been accumulating more and more of this asset. In just over 10 minutes from now, you can see below on the big screen, Sensei is going to be live, providing you all the technical charts for all of this, and you can hopefully find a better way in, and the support levels, resistance levels, so you can make money on XRP once again. Now, you might also want to ask, thank you very much, Sir Fishy 888.
Sir Fishy 888 has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed. You might also like to get a chart for GRRR or any of your other favorite stocks. If you are a member, you can get a chart done by Sensei this afternoon, and you might want to ask for that, because on Tuesday, we're going to bring you this world exclusive event, meet the CEO and the CFO live on the show. So you might want that information for Tuesday. Another one to watch is Mobix. We had the CEO on the show a couple of weeks ago, and our members have made sort of 200-300% on that one as well. So there's some big gains on these stocks that we brought you. Again, remember, I don't benefit from it. If you look at my portfolio, you will see I'm 100% invested. I'm 100% with my margin invested in the S&P. Doesn't make no difference to me whether this goes up, down, or sideways. That's why you know I can be completely impartial and bring you the honest information. All right, now then, I'm about to end the show and send you to Sensei. He's about to start his technical chart show this afternoon. But also, there are a few other things that we're going to give you. Let's have a look. Cine Star. It's interesting. Let's have a look here. Sorry for trolling the other day. Man was just having a laugh. Serious from now on, my guy. I love it, Cine Star. You're very welcome. I mean, at the end of the day, we have a bit of fun with the trolls. We like to call it whack a troll, but that's okay. I'm just here to help people. We're here. We're building the network now. It's growing faster and faster every day. You've heard everything else I've explained in today's show, so it's here for you. It's not. I just want you guys and ladies to tell me you've made money, you're enjoying the family, the community, it's fun, it's engaging, it's helpful, useful. That's all I want out of it. So I'm glad if you feel that way. Anyway, now just before I go, excuse me, a bit of dust there. There's a couple of things you might like before Sensei starts. Here is my Instagram and X. This is where I have conversations with the CEOs, conversations with Wall Street, conversation with hedge fund managers, bank managers, you name it. That's where it all goes on. If you want to follow me on X and Instagram, I will engage in all of my members. I don't follow you because that would weaken the strength of the engagement. But what I do is reply to you, real life reply, not using AI. That's the first thing. Second of all, another thing. If you are a member of our channel and you'd like to be able to speak to Sensei and get your charts and technical information, and you would like scalp training from Ed Nevius, who's paid to learn it, thousands of dollars to learn it, he will give you that information. He provides it for free of charge. It's part of our service as a member. This is Discord. Now, when you click on the Discord link, it'll take 10 minutes to get verified and set up. You have to verify your email and everything else. You won't see anything because I manually upgrade you on a show. I manually upgrade you on a live show. So you need to be here on the show for me to upgrade you. Okay? If, however, another new member. Thank you, Mark.
Mark B has become a member.
Thank you, Mark. If you actually don't want to be a YouTube member, you can pay for the premium service on Discord, and you can do it that way. Some people do that, or some people are members and they're a premium member on Discord because they want to get the advanced services and priority. So you could do that. But please, whatever you do, when you go on to Discord, make sure that you don't accept any friend requests from anyone called Martyn Lucas. I never send them. You send them to me and I accept them on a live show. All right? So there's Discord. Once again, there is the membership link, and I think we're all good to go. Now then, I just had a question here. Martyn, so your year to date is 12,000. So what was the 23 what was it all about? The reason why my year to date is only 13%, it's dropped, right? 12,000. The reason why it's dropped recently is because I'm all in, as you all know, in margin, and I've been buying at the top. That's why. So my gains are massively reduced because I've been buying and buying and buying. So my profits and gains are massively reduced. That's why. A few weeks ago, I was up to sort of $23,000 and I was up like 35%. And that has now decreased because I have spent a lot more. That's why that's showing up like that. I hope that answers your question. All right. But yeah. You can see there's my position there. Look, you can see there's my margin, 100,000. I've gone all in. I'm very, very bullish on tomorrow's open. Or in fact, not tomorrow's, tonight's open. But you can see that's why those numbers are dramatically reduced. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So anyway, it's now time to hand you over to Sensei's show. If you've just called in, thank you very much indeed. I hope you enjoy, I hope you understand what today's experiment was all about. Yeah, great. So there you go. Tap the like button if you like this. We've got 108 likes and 3 down likes. Thank you very much indeed. And consider subscribing if you haven't. I've given you the membership links. The event for Gorilla will be members only on Tuesday. Sensei does members only for all of the chart analysis if you want that. He starts in 5 minutes. So I'm going to end right now and send you to Sensei's show. So once again, if you've just tuned in, we're in 2025 is the year we become a mainstream TV channel. That was always our aim. That's what we're doing. And the reason why we're doing it is I want to be proud of helping people. And at the end of the day, my wife say you did a good thing today. That's all I do this for. Not for fame and fortune. I had that with the World Piano Man Tour. I made the money I wanted. I'm now here to help people. And I've just shown you incognito mode. We now own the whole of Google homepage. Not number 1 or number 2, 1 to 10. Every single one for Gorilla. And we now own many other stocks the same. CEOs are calling me every day saying, can we be on the show rather than Bloomberg and CNBC and places like that? Because I'm going to tell you how it is. I'm not going to talk BS. I'm going to be completely transparent. I'm going to be completely honest. No one can sponsor me to say anything. No one can pay me to say anything. And I'm here just wanting to do something great. That's why we're here. So thank you for being part of the family. I hope you've all now followed me on X, Instagram, become members. But I'm now going to hand you over to Sensei's show. So let me wrap this up. I'll be live tomorrow morning for the opening bell. I'll also be live for the closing bell. And then, of course, Tuesday morning, we're going to open up with our Gorilla CEO interview. All right. So let me now redirect you. 1,000 views. We did it. We got the 1,000 views. That's marvelous. Thank you, Manu, for becoming a member.
Manu has become a member.
Great stuff. There are many, many perks to becoming a member. I will onboard and upgrade everyone's membership services on my live opening bell show tomorrow. But now it's time to hand you over to Sensei. So let me redirect this to Sensei's show. He's doing charts for crypto and stocks today. So let me do that. Okay, I've done that. I'm now going to give you the link in the chat so you've got it as well. Here we go. This is Sensei's show in just a couple of minutes. Oh, and there was one final piece I forgot to mention. Very, very important, actually. Because we're going to be bringing you breaking news up to 24 hours a day, whenever it might be, we are looking to build an inner circle of the Lucasades. We're looking for more moderators on the show. We're looking for moderators on Discord. And we're looking for researchers and contributors. Okay, I could not possibly know all the news all the time to bring it to you. My members provide that. That's one of the things that you can do in Discord. It's called Links for YouTube. It's a channel in Discord, and you can say something about your favorite stock. This has just happened or whatever. Of course, I will verify it first, and not all will make the news flashes. Not all of it will be, enough of importance, but I will see them all and bring them all into the main shows. So your favorite stocks will get featured, and some of those will get chosen for news flashes. Also, to go alongside all of that, we are live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in the Extra channel. This is the Extra channel. This is running right now. I'll give you the link for it. There it is. This is the Extra channel, and it runs 24 hours a day, playing you analysis like a radio show behind the scenes.
Has become a member.
Thank you, Al Full. I'm fully in, so I've reduced my margin a little bit. This is me playing my playlist of all the stocks that I review. They're in the background for you, so you can see all of that, all right? So you can have all those reviews. But the point is, the chat is live. In the chat, you click live chat, so it's live chat, and you can be in the chat here telling people what's going on and all the rest of it. You can see here Stephen Lewandowski is having a conversation at the moment, so with himself, as it turns out. So this is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. People will watch this. Our moderators can put links in, or they can send it into Discord if you're not on Discord. Or I watch this other than when I'm asleep, which is hardly ever. And this is another way for you to bring in the news for the news flashes. Okay, so it's very much a family, very much an involvement for everyone. And the idea is everybody wins. Okay? Right. Okay. Let me end the stream. All of you that have joined today, I will upgrade your for services so you can access Discord and all the other things in the morning. If not, I might even pop in on Sensei's show to give you that. But right now, though, we're going to end the show. We're just a few away now from 55,000. Would be wonderful if we can get there today. 44 subscribers would be a big achievement today if you could help us get there. But I'm now going to end the show. Send you over to Sensei's show. So let me end that there and duplicate that. Let me get Sensei show. He's standing by now, ready to go live. Right. There is Sensei's show. Okay. Here is Sensei's show on the screen. Now, if you've just subscribed to the Sensei now, okay. If you're now subscribing to the extra channel, you do need to be a member to be able to talk. You can watch, you can listen, but to stop bots coming in and trolls coming in, we have a 99 cents. It's as cheap as possible. YouTube won't let me go 1 cent, so I make it 99 cents. That's all it costs just to stop all the bots. And all those idiots that thought they know everything about everything, they can't afford 99 cents. It just shows you, doesn't it? Anyway, Sensei live, pinned to the top. You can now join Sensei. This is the event. I'm going to end the stream. Thank you very much indeed. I look forward to seeing you all on Sensei's show right now. All right, that's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. I'm going to clear the decks, get rid of all of that. And that's it. Thank you for being part of our experiment this afternoon and building this as a mainstream TV channel. It's now time to hand you over to Sensei's show. He's about to go live. He needs me to finish first, and I'll see you during that broadcast, and I'll see you back on Monday. Until then, as always, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, and thank you to all the Lucas aides. Bye-bye for now.